How to fix error printing message in Windows 10. Here are some tips that may help you fix error printing message in Windows 10. 1. Run printer troubleshooter. 2. Stop the print spooler service. From running, then delete anything from %winder %system32 /spool /printers. 3. Check the printer's port settings. Hint, try using a different port. 4. Update your USB drivers. 5. Repeat the tip 1 and 2, then switch off and restart your printer. And, check the paper in your printer. 6. Troubleshoot the problematic printer under Devices and Printers. Check if your printer is installed in Windows 10 settings. Make the best of the My printer is a little older. Help me find it? Option. Reinstall the printer driver manually. Back up your personal data, downgrade, or remove Windows 10 due to potential/known driver incompatibility. Last but not least, follow https://support.microsoft.com/n-us/help/4015/windows-fix-printer-problems to fix printer connection and printing problems in Windows 10. Unplug and restart your printer, check cables or wireless connection, uninstall and reinstall your printer, install the latest driver for your printer, run the printing troubleshooter, clear and reset the print spooler, fix printer problems after updating Windows 10, change a printer's status to online.